Hi guys and welcome to the Supervids UK YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about a YouTube service, a brand new YouTube service which you've probably seen advertised at the top of YouTube, and that is YouTube Music. So a quick YouTube search of YouTube Music should bring up the application. We want to click through to the official YouTube app, and this is what you'll see on loading the application. So let's have a look. So at the top here you can see that there's a song playlist. I'm going to play one of these, but obviously because of copyright I won't be playing the song. That plays perfectly fine. The interface is very easy to use, and as you can see there's a lot of selections and recommendation music videos. Clicking on an album will bring up the entire album playlist. It's automatically set to autoplay at the top, but you can actually change this. Searching for specific music will bring up recommendations as well as the music videos and relevant albums related to that search. As you can see, there's a lot of official music that you can select from. These songs, when you're searching through the normal YouTube interface, are very hard to find. So the fact that they are available on YouTube Music is an absolute goldmine. Any song relevant to the charts today is available here. YouTube has personalised the service, which I think just gives it that extra je ne sais quoi, if you will, with this beautiful YouTube Music application. It's a great service all round. So there you have it guys, that's YouTube Music. If you'd like to check out the application yourself, the link should be in the description if it is no longer being advertised on the banner for some reason or you just don't know where to find it. Guys, hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay in touch with Supervids. So thank you for watching the video guys. Like to see you down in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. Maybe you want to talk about YouTube Music or another application that we've spoken about previous weeks, because we like to do that as well. We like to talk and hear your opinions on what you think of the website, or maybe what you think of the walkthrough that we've given on whatever application or website we're looking at this week. So we're here every single week. Remember that guys, we're here every single week with Supervids. So there's plenty of content out there for you to go and have a look at when it comes to Supervids UK.